Hi everyone, this is Miss Iris from Texas AMSN Access, and today I am going to do a walkthrough to show you how to register for classes using our online student portal, My Music Staff. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to navigate to our website, which is school.texasamsonaccess.com. From here, you can select the Resources tab and choose Student Login Portal. On the right-hand side, you'll see your login information here. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the link there to get it reset. If you've never logged into the student portal before, please be sure to reach out to us so that we can send you your login information so that you can gain access to the student portal. So I'm going to go ahead and get logged in here, so bear with me just one second. Okay, so for those of you who have multiple students, you will see this come up as a drop-down menu. And if you don't, it'll just be one student and you just hit continue. So for me, we are a 2-student household, so I'm just going to select the student I am working with, which would be me. And I'm going to hit continue. And that is going to kick me over to the actual student portal. And it is going to show me my home screen. From here, for those of you who are new, you'll have access to our latest newsletter, a kind of quick view of any makeup credits I have, any scheduled events, and my last invoice information. But in order to get over to scheduling, you're going to want to click on calendar. And then our fall semester, which is our upcoming semester, you're going to want to navigate to August 9th. That is the week of August 9th. And then if your calendar view is showing up as anything other than a weekly view, you can change that here using that calendar icon. And the week view is going to be the best look. But just know anytime you make any changes, you can see it reverted me to the current date. So just be careful in doing that. Okay, so I am back to the week of the August 9th, the week that we start back to lessons for the fall semester. And you can see here, if I scroll down, that it's going to list any open times with my teacher that I am currently registered for. So any of these green openings are going to be times that my teacher, Mr. Mike, has open. To register for one of those, all you need to do is click on it. And I'm just doing a simple right click, and then you're going to hit register. And it's going to pop up with this quick screen, and it's going to ask me, do I want to register for this one slot only, or do I want to register for this on a weekly basis, which is register for all occurrences. You'll want to select that and then hit register. And then you will get a little check mark there. It'll say that you are confirmed and registered. And then I can actually go through, if I change this to a month view, it is going to show that to me. If I go to August, it's going to show that I now have that time slot available, and I will click it where it just shows my times. But now you can see that I have 2 lessons scheduled, an 11 o'clock and a 2 o'clock every Thursday. And that will set up through the end of our spring semester, which is going to be June 1. So it's really as easy as that. We do try to make it easy for you here. The only other thing that I would encourage you guys to be aware of, if you are wanting a time slot that is longer than 30 minutes, you are going to want to claim 2 back-to-back times, regardless of whether you're doing a 45-minute lesson or a hour-long lesson. You'll want to claim 2 back-to-back times. So I'm going to go to that 2 o'clock time. I want to do a 45-minute lesson. I'm going to go ahead and register for this additional 30 minutes after, and that's going to pop up with my check mark. There it is. And then I'm going to want to reach out to the studio and say, hey, I registered for a Thursday 2 and 2:35 lesson times, but I would like to do a 45-minute, or I would like to do a 60-minute, and we will have to manually adjust those on our side. So you can send those requests to scheduling at texasamsonaccess.com and just let us know the link that you need so we can manually adjust on our side, and then we'll make that adjustment for you and send a confirmation email. So I hope you found this helpful, and if not, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us at 469-296-6007 or send us an email at scheduling@texasamsonaccess.com. Thank you so much for choosing Texas AMSON Access. We're thrilled to have you here and look forward to working with you this upcoming semester. Have an awesome day and make great choices.